Today we're going to demonstrate the easy integration of Delta V to SAP for work order request generation. So here we have our Delta V operate screen, and we're going to be focusing on this particular vacuum pump 23P002. And what we're going to do is, behind the scenes, is we're going to generate a drive fault on that particular vacuum pump. And when we do that, we're going to generate an alarm within Delta V. And you'll notice it shows up in the alarm banner down here that the blender vacuum pump has gone into drive fault. If I click on the alarm banner, the faceplate comes up and we see we have a drive fault. From here, I'll call up my detail display, where I can click on a fault info button, which calls up another faceplate that details the potential faults that can occur on this drive. And you'll notice that we've got a ground fault. Now what the operator can do is he can go back to his detail display and he can click on his Create Work Order button that's part of the detail display. And that's going to automatically launch Emerson Asset Portal 4.0 into a work notification display. Now this work notification display is already pre-populated with the tag of the device that's requiring a work order generation, and the operator can enter additional information in this description field. And then he can save that notification request. By saving that notification request, we're now going to communicate with an SAP system. The SAP system has actually now come back and generated the actual work order request reference number that we can use to track this work order. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that work order request number. I can close out of Asset Portal 4.0. I can go back to Delta V Operate. From here, I'm going to launch an Internet Explorer window and navigate directly into my SAP system. Once I get into SAP, I'm going to navigate to my notification area and actually input the notification number that Asset Portal and Delta V had received. What I get back is the actual work order request screen. You'll notice the description is for our asset 23P1002, along with the comment entered by the operator and the date and time that the work order request came in.